Multimedia integration is just a fancy way of saying break up the content of your website with images and video. Even when you have a blog post, just having reams and reams and reams of text, imagine, right, you might get away with it on a desktop, but when you're now reading it on a mobile and it's going to be longer, break it up with an image. Don't always go for adverts, because sometimes adverts that just start to autoplay can be a little bit annoying. Start thinking about some video content to supplement or to add on something different to the content. Could even be an animated GIF, could be a meme, anything like that. Images, just break up your content. Try not to go for pages that are just pure text unless the content deserves it. And there's very few examples where that would be necessary. Images, video, animated GIFs, infographics, make sure that you optimize them as well. So don't go add on a video that is like self-loaded from your media library and it's not coming from a third party like Bunny CDN or YouTube or Vimeo or something. Same with infographic. Don't go and load something that is like 20 megabytes because it's huge and complex and massively long. Think about the load time. And if you're wondering, well, how does this actually relate to SEO? The user gets there, they feel engaged, they like the content. Oh, this person's got more posts. They might go and read more posts. They're staying longer on your website. Big boost to your SEO, your search engines, Google, they'll notice this. They are more likely to maybe subscribe. Hey, I really like what this person is saying, or this group, or this team. SEO is not just about being found. It's about hooking them in and keeping them there for as long as possible. Converting, continuing the user experience journey.